It comes with the device, charging cord, handle, and then this pole that, and when it comes packaged, it's that short.
It's got its own built-in battery. It's a charge port. It'll hold a charge of an hour. This catches all the leaves. Then you got the screen on the inside that catches the flies, anything little, sand, and there's your impeller that creates the vacuum. This is a standard pool pole. Just slips on there.
So if you don't want to get in the water, you can use a standard pool pole.
Lock into place. The red button is your on and off button. They say to turn it on, put it in the water first. Press the button. See the bubbles, it's on and it's working. Actually, it's easier to pull than it is to push. What I'm going to do the whole bottom, and then later I'll show you how I empty it.
See how well it sucked those up?
Yeah, it does a great job. Turn it off. Press there. Empties. Press the other side. There's all your leaves. And there's the other crap, flies and... Oh, this is only a 2 or 3 minute demo.